To sell covered calls on a trading platform, first confirm your eligibility for option trading by ensuring your account is set up for it. If not, complete the necessary forms, including a risk profile and trading experience questionnaire, to obtain at least a Level 1 option trading approval for covered calls. Next, own the underlying stock, as a covered call strategy requires owning at least 100 shares of the underlying stock for each call option. If you don't own the stock, purchase it through your account by placing a regular stock trade. Once you meet these requirements, log into your account on the platform's website and navigate to the Trade and Options section. Or use the advanced trading platform if available. Search for the stock you own, open its option chain, and look for call options with different strike prices and expiration dates. Choose a strike price higher than the current market price and select an expiration date that aligns with your strategy. Whether short-term for quick income or long-term for higher premiums, create a new call option contract. Input the number of contracts you wish to sell, and review the strike price, premium, and expiration date. Select your order type, such as a market or limit order, and submit the trade. Wait for confirmation that your trade has been placed. Then track your covered call trade to see how the stock price performs in relation to the strike price.